Hi, my name is Heather Tatum. I'm going to do a quick video on basic first aid kit. I have small children running around, number one. But I have a small first aid kit that we use almost every day with the kids. And then I have a large first aid kit. And then also have a backpack. So I'm just going to show you the basics. Okay, so first off, for first aid, for me, it's going to be insect bites. For insect bites, we have Benadryl anti-itch spray and Benadryl cream. They both work pretty good. I also keep hydrocortisone cream, but the kids like these better for their insect bites. Also for insect bites, we have Benadryl for any type of allergy, insect bite, sting, poison ivy, lots of things like that. This will help because it's an antihistamine. So we have that for children, and then the pills for adults. We use these a lot, actually. And then an ice pack, because that actually will make it feel better if you have a sting or an insect bite. This is an instant ice pack. They work okay for when you're somewhere where you can't get ice. But this is also a refillable ice pack that you can use. You just put your ice in if you have it. And then we have this kind where you open the end and fill it with ice. And then you can actually wrap it around like your leg or your arm, and it'll keep the ice on there. I have a variety of braces, different ankle braces. We're clumsy. Also bigger ones. And sling for a hurt arm, which is important. And then we have wrist braces, and then, that one's elbow brace, and then I have a wrist brace as well. For other areas that need some type of bracing, you want to have ace bandages. You can have bigger ones too. These are small. These are for the kids. You can get big ace bandages for bigger people. For wounds, you want something as small as a Band-Aid for the little cuts, little minor things, but you need to be able to clean the wound, and to do that you can use something like Hibiclens. You could use, these are betadine sticks, but you could get betadine in a bottle just like the Hibiclens. There's also little alcohol pads, and then your standard peroxide. For like small tiny wounds, you may just want to clean it with some gauze. For bigger wounds that are dirty, they have dirt in them, you're going to need to rinse it. So like this is like a squeezy bottle, but you can dilute this with water. So if you have an extra squeezy bottle of some sort, I keep one, you can mix it with water or the betadine so that you can, rinse all the dirt off before you bandage it. You can have gauze. This is non-sterile gauze. But I also have sterile gauze if it's a really, really bad wound that you don't want to get infected. And then you'll need your triple antibiotic ointment to go on after you clean it. And then you'll need to dress it. And to dress it, you can take, the gauze. Also have rolled gauze because you can wrap it around an area to help support it. And then you can put tape. We have medical tape, or you can use, this is what we call Coban. It's tape that sticks back onto itself, so that's good. Or you could wrap it with an ace on top. Other things that I have in just my little first aid kit, I have different types of tweezers for removing debris from little wounds. And then I have these, they're little cutters that can help if you have like some little dangly pieces that you need to get off real quick, or for hangnails, toenails, things like that. And medication. Ibuprofen for adults, and then also children's medication. And that's about it, and just a basic first aid kit that I really do. I've used this little kit 3 days last week between the kids. Oh, here's one more thing. This is a splint. It bends. One side is metal, and this side is like a thumb. So you could bend it to a finger and then wrap it so that it holds it steady. You could keep it long if you needed to, if there was, something on a longer part of your body that you needed to hold steady. Thanks. Bye-bye.